struggling to manage growing piles of plastic waste.
396 million tons.
How much plastic is actually recyclable?
The plastic that has been a real problem.
Is piling up in the world's landfills, sewer system.
Whether we like it or not, we're going to have a lot of plastic for the foreseeable, whilst it definitely has its negative side effects.
It's the year of 2025. No matter how advanced country gets, no matter how many technologies are developed into now these days, no matter how AI is well used in the whole community, but yet, we as humans are still lagging behind in controlling the pollution. So, one of the most huge pollution in the world is obviously trash. Trash pollution. No matter how many countries are very developed into technologies, not a single country can control the amount of trash that is increasing year by year. And one of the most polluted places with trash is obviously our ocean. And what caused this ocean to pollute with trash is obviously from the river. These are the data consisting of rivers that are most polluted in trash, overflowing towards the ocean and polluting the ocean. So, what are our thoughts and our project will help this problem? Let me pass this to Fahim to explain more.
How does it get there? Let's talk about rivers. Think about your town, your city. Sometimes we litter accidentally and sometimes intentionally. Imagine a plastic bag slips out of my hand and the plastic bottle rolls off a curb and it lands on the sidewalk and it rains. The rain, that's the crucial link. It will wash all of the trash, all of it, into the storm drain. And the storm drains are not connected to any sewage treatment system. And they are designed to remove all of the excess rainwater. And where does it all go? You guessed it, the river or the nearest creek or stream.
Now, let's wrap it there. And now, let me explain to you guys our project that we innovated with full passion. I present to you the sea trash barrier.
So, this is the function when the trash flows into the river and towards to the barrier. As you can see, the trash then will be prevented and be collected from the net or called as a mesh to the voyager. There are times when there is oil. Our barrier includes a specific sponge to absorb any types of oil that are polluted in the river. In our prototype, we include a specific coagulant to coagulate small trashes or dust that will be then prevented from the net or the sponge slightly. Another feature that we intend to do is by adding a water turbine. As we all know, the river flow is very strong that can generate electricity to the water turbine.
So the plastic bottle you saw rolling down the street and the plastic bags that I've littered, they will all end up in the river. And every single piece of trash, they will eventually goes down the street, downstream and gets into the ocean. And the trashes inside the ocean, it doesn't disappear just like that. They break down into tiny microplastics. And these tiny microplastics devastates marine life. How? They poison the water. And fishes live in them. And we, as humans, we eat fishes. And studies showed that inside the human body, there are a lot of microplastics found in them. So, Aqil and I, we want to provide a solution by placing a sea trash barrier to stop everything.
Now, we have reached to our conclusion. We hope that our project can change the future and bring us more bright future, which is reducing any plastic pollution, or at least reach our main objective, which is to reduce trash pollution towards the ocean. And we hope you guys would help us together, and we are the one who can change the future. With this then, we rest our case.